Welcome to Fix It Faster, the home management app that connects you with customers nearby. With Fix It Faster, you spend more time doing jobs instead of travelling to them. If you're a home service provider, or fixer as we call them, you'll need to download the correct app to put yourself on the customer's map. In your app store, search Fix It Faster and look for the app for service providers. When you first open Fix It Faster, make sure to allow location access and push notifications. Without these, you either won't get jobs or won't be notified when they come through. Click Sign Up and enter your details. When it comes to writing your description, try and write something distinctive, like how many years you've been in business or special services or warranties you offer. Now to upload your photo. This can be your business logo or just a nice shot of you. The more eye-catching, the better. The last and most important step is to check in. This puts you on the customer's map, ready to receive your first job. When you get a job request, you'll get a push notification on your phone. Jump on the app and you'll be prompted to accept or decline the job, or click View Details if you need more information. This opens up the live chat with your customer. When you accept the job, choose an option for your estimated arrival time. Here, the customer has requested ASAP, so you can select the time that you have agreed on in the chat. When you're on your way, tap On the Way. If you're running late, just hit Delayed to add 10 minutes to the arrival time. Tap Arrived when you get there. All finished up? Hit Done. Your customer can give you a review, and don't forget, we don't take commission. Nailed it.